You are going to love the 2012 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, day-night rear-view mirror, dual note horn, fog lamps, front license plate bracket, front stabilizer bar, halogen headlamps, rear stabilizer bar, speed control, 160 amp alternator. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.